Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is red color, parrot color, green color, purple color, orange color, pink color, blue color, and the last one is yellow color. Now it's time to color the Doritos. How many Doritos can you see here? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 Doritos.